A very good afternoon. Hello, everyone. Echo हो रहा है. All right. Hello, everyone. A very, very good afternoon. How are you all doing today? Am I audible? Can you all show me a thumbs up to tell me whether I'm audible or not? Yes? Okay. I'm Diksha Aswani. Thank you so much, Abhas, for reacting with a thumbs up. Thank you so much. So I'm audible, loud and clear. Yes, I'm Diksha Swani and welcome. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Okay, great. I'm super excited to be here and I am going to teach you English. How many of you like English? Send me yes, a big yes in the message. All right. Waiting for your reply. How many of you like English? Do you find English difficult? No? Or do you find English fun? All right. Okay. So I'm getting a lot of thumbs up. Means I think you all love English, isn't it? Great. So I'm going to give you a short introduction about myself. I am Diksha Aswani, as I just told you, and I'm teaching English for last 18 years. And all of you wonderful children are welcome for today's demo class. So shall we start quickly with our session for today? Yes? Okay, great. So today, are you shaking? Echo, right? All right. So today I'm going to talk to you about a very, very important topic, and that is prepositions. How many of you find prepositions difficult? Do you know what prepositions are? Yes or no? Can you please put in the chat box? Do you like prepositions? Do you understand it clearly? Do you have a doubt? Or whether you don't know what prepositions are? Can you quickly reply? Okay. Lot of children who study from me have problem in deciding whether to put in, on, or at. So first of all, we are going to start with prepositions today. So prepositions are position words. Position words matlab they tell you the position of a person or a thing or an animal. Yes, position matlab in, on. I'll give you examples of prepositions: in, on, under, behind, above, below. All these are prepositions. All these are prepositions. Yes. So today we are going to cover, there are prepositions of place and there are prepositions of time. So there are two different kinds of prepositions, one of time and one of place. So today I'll be covering the topic prepositions of time. Yes, there are three prepositions of time, which are in, on, at. And lot of you children who are wonderful and they love English, but sometimes get confused with prepositions of time, that is in, on, at. So today, in today's session, I'm going to make it very clear to all of you, giving you lots of examples on how to know when to put in, when to put on, and when to put at. So are you all ready? Send me a R in the chat box quickly. Send me a R in the chat box if you are ready to start the session with me. Okay, great. Thank you. Thank you for your replies. Great. So now the most important thing is to understand what all does time include. Time में क्या क्या included है? It's very important to understand. So time includes number one, part of a day. I'll explain everything in detail. If you want, you can make notes along with me. You can see what I'm writing in my notepad. You can make notes if you want to. So what all does time include? It includes part of a day. That means it can be morning, it can be afternoon, it can be evening. Yes, it can be a day itself, any day of the week. It can be a month. As you all know, we have 12 months. Next, it can be a year. When you are talking about a particular year. Yes, maybe your birth year. It can be a date. Time also includes dates. Yes. Also includes clock time. What does that mean? 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Yes. Next, it also includes special days. What are special days? For example, Independence Day, Republic Day. Yes, these are special days. Time also includes season. For example, spring, summers. Yes, so all these 8 include time. I'm just quickly repeating myself. Part of a day, that can be morning, evening, afternoon, a particular day, a month, a year, date, clock time, special days, and seasons. All of these include time. And for all of them, we use different prepositions. But sometimes when we don't have clarity, हम confuse हो जाते हैं and हम गलत prepositions use करते हैं. So as I mentioned earlier, the preposition of time are in, on, at. Now we'll see with examples that in these different time, which I've included here, how will we use in, on, and at? Have you all made notes? Are you all making short notes along with me? Okay. As you can clearly see what is written in my notepad, you can quickly make notes. So it's very important to know that a preposition is placed before the time in any sentence. So ये जो सारी चीजें mentioned हैं, before mentioning that, we use the preposition of time. It can either be in, on, or at. Now let's start doing detailed examples of each. For example, the first preposition that I'm taking for today is at. Now we'll see how do we use at. All right. The first example for us is ready. We use at before a time. Before a time. Example. 3 o'clock. I will see you for lunch at 3 o'clock. Another example. Let's go to the park and I will meet you to play a game of football at 6 o'clock. So when we are mentioning a particular time, we use the preposition at. Example, at 3 o'clock, at 6 o'clock. Can you send me a thumbs up if you've understood clearly what I mean? Okay. Thank you for responding. Thank you so much. Am I loud and clear? Are you all being able to understand clearly? Okay, great. The second example when we use at. The second example is before a specific time of the day. Before specific time of a day. Now, what does this mean? For example, my grandmother wakes up at sunrise. This is a particular time of the day, isn't it? पूरे दिन का एक particular time. That is at sunrise. My father returns home after father returns home from work at sunset. Yes. Is it clear to you? So we use at when we are mentioning a particular time, and we use at also before a specific time of a day. At sunrise, at sunset. I like to read a book at bedtime. Y'all can make notes if you want. I hope this much is clear. Okay. So these were the two uses when we use the preposition at. These are the two examples when we use at. Now let's move to the next preposition of time, that is in. When do we use the preposition in? The first example. We use it before a month. We use in before mentioning a month. For example, my birthday is in December. So we are mentioning a particular month. Holi is in March. Clear, everyone? So whenever we are mentioning a month, we use the preposition in. The second example. We use the preposition in before a year. I traveled to Dubai in 2023. In. When you're talking about a particular year, then you mention in. My mother was born in 1944. Got it? Is it clear to everyone? So whenever we are mentioning a particular year, we will use the preposition in, and also before a month. The third use of the preposition in is before a time of the day. Example, I will meet you in the evening. in the evening. That is a time of a day. You can also say that she is coming to my house in the afternoon. So this is how we use the preposition in. You can make notes if you wish. And the fourth example of the preposition in is before a season. Example, I go for my vacations in summers. Before a season, you always mention in. I go for vacations in summers. Or you can say, I go to hill stations to see the snow in winters. Yes. So a quick recap of how we use preposition in. There are 4 examples. You can see it clearly. Before a month. Example, in December, in March, in February. Example number 2, before a year. Yes. For example, we got independence in 1947. The third example is before a time of a day. I'll see you in the park in the evening. Okay. I will meet you for lunch in the afternoon. The next example is before a season. I go to my grandma's house in summers. Okay, you want the notes in the front page. Okay, I can't listen. Devansh Singh, am I not audible? Am I audible? I hope there is no problem now. Okay. Have you all made the notes? Thank you so much for saying that I'm audible. I'm going very slow. I'm not in a rush. Please make your notes easily. I'm waiting. When you're done, let me know. Then only I'll turn the page. This is going to be really very helpful for you, children. You can make lots of notes. When you post in the chat box that you've made notes, then I move to the next preposition or turn the page. I'll wait for all of you. Notes done. Okay. Kiara Chaudhary, you want me to repeat? Do you want me to repeat all the prepositions? All the examples of in? I just repeated them. Okay. Are the notes done? Do you want me to turn the page now? Okay. Can I get a few more done in the chat box before I turn the page? Okay. Thank you. I'll just turn the page. You can note down this example also. Preposition in is also used before a season. For example, I visit my granny's house in summers. Okay, great. So you all have made this notes. Let's move to the next preposition, the third preposition of time, which is on. So the third preposition, we have already completed at, we have done in, and now we are moving to the third preposition, which is on. Okay, Pranshi Banarwal, I request that can you please keep the questions for the end? I'll answer all your queries. Don't worry at all. I would love to answer all your queries. Let me just finish my teaching bit. I'll definitely answer your question. Thank you. The next preposition of time is on. Now, when do we use on? We use on before a day. We use on before a day. Example, my birthday is on Monday. On Monday. My birthday is on Monday. My birthday is on Monday. I will go for my school picnic on Friday. I will go for my school picnic on Friday. I can give you one more example. I will go to watch a film with my parents on Sunday. Yes. So before a day, we always use on. The next example of on. We use on before a date. We use on before a date. For example, my result is on 20th December. Before a date. Yes. The school exhibition is on 10th March. So, before you mention a date, you use the preposition on. Okay, Nitya Chaudhary, when we use at, I've already covered at, I'll get back to it. Please give me some time. Let me complete on, and once again, I will go back to at. Okay, next example. We also use on before a particular day. Before a particular day. For example, my school gives us a holiday on Gandhi Jayanti. That is a particular day, isn't it? My school gives us a holiday, or we have a school holiday on Gandhi Jayanti. Okay. All right. We have flag hoisting in the school on Republic Day. That is another example. Don't worry, I will share all the notes all over again. Don't worry at all. Please make the notes that are going on right here. I'll quickly repeat. We are doing the preposition on, and the examples are we use on before a day when we are mentioning a day. For example, my birthday is on Monday. My school picnic is on Friday. We use on before a date. The school exhibition is on 20th December. My class picnic is on 10th March. So we use on before a date. And third example is before a particular day. We have a school holiday on Gandhi Jayanti. The flag hoisting is done in my school on Republic Day. So these are the examples of how we use the preposition on. Now, a quick recap of everything that we have done until now. Some of you wanted to know. So I'll start from the beginning once again for all of you. What are prepositions? Prepositions are position words which tell you the position and of a particular person, place, or thing. It also tells you the time. And there are two types of prepositions, time and place. Today we have covered prepositions of time. Time includes all these things which are mentioned here. The part of a day, a particular day itself, month, year, date, clock time, special days, and season. All these include time. There are three prepositions of time: in, on, at. Can I get water? My glasses, please. Thank you. Sorry. Thank you so much. Okay. So, the first preposition that I covered today was at. All right. So, the first one is before a time. At 3 o'clock, at 6 o'clock. So, when we are mentioning a specific time, we use at. The second example is before a specific time of a day. That is, at sunrise, at sunset, at bedtime, even at noon. My grandfather eats his lunch at noon. Can you give me a done in the chat box or a thumbs up if you are clear with at and you've made the notes? All right. I hope all clear. Okay. Shall I move to the next preposition? All right. Next. So the next preposition of time is in. The first example is before a month. So we use in before a month. For example, my birthday is in December. Holi is in March. Before a year. Example, I visited Dubai in 2023. My mother was born in 1944. So when we are mentioning a year, we use in. And the third example is before a time of a day. For example, I will see you in the evening. I will come to your house in the afternoon. The fourth example of in is before a season. I visit my granny's house in summer. I go for a vacation in winter. Can you please send me a done or a thumbs up if you are clear and you have made notes? Okay. So that's clear. Most of you have done it. Wonderful. Now, let's repeat on. Okay. So we use on before a day. I will go for my tennis class on Monday. My swimming session is on Friday. Clear? Okay. Before a date. On 20th December or on 10th March. Whenever we are mentioning a date, we use on. And the last is before a particular day. For example, the flag hoisting is on Republic Day. We have a school holiday on Gandhi Jayanti. So that is a particular day. Is it clear? So these were the prepositions of time. That is in, on, at. I hope you all have made the notes. Now I want all of you to quickly choose any two prepositions out of these. Choose any two out of three: in, on, at. Choose any two and make two sentences and put it in the chat box quickly. And then I will answer your queries if you have any kind of doubts. And we'll also have a quick test of all the prepositions that we've done till now. Use any two prepositions and make sentences and put it in the chat box. Okay. Okay. I haven't got any replies yet. Do you have any doubts? If you have any doubts, you can raise your hand. Where is that? Here? Okay. Oh, I'm so sorry. Yeah. All right. I was born in 2017. That's Advika Sahu. That's right. I am going on Monday. My books are on the table. My birthday is in the month of January. I will go to park in evening. My birthday is in January. All right. My birthday is on 18 December. Lovely. Very good. My skating classes are on Wednesday. Very well. That's right. My birthday is in the month of January. Okay. I was born in 2016. Very good. Okay. In an ad. Salma Ansari, please send me examples. I ate my breakfast at 10 o'clock. Okay. My father go to work at noon. My father goes to work at noon. Okay. That's Soumya Sharma. Okay. Kiara Chaudhary. We can reframe the sentence by saying, my art class is at 9 o'clock. Okay. That's nice. My birthday is in the month of October. My book is on the table. Very good. I will have a lunch with my friend on Monday. Can we remove a from there, Adya Agarwal? I will have lunch with my friend on Monday is absolutely right. I will meet you in the afternoon. Very good. I live in Jamshedpur at Telco Colony. Okay. My birthday is on Friday. I will meet you in the afternoon. Okay. My birthday is on Thursday. Well, that's wonderful. I'm going to dance class on Monday. Okay. All right. That's wonderful. Now it's time for me to give you a quick test and let me see your answers. Yes, are you ready? Can you send me a done or ready in the chat box? Are you ready? I can type. I can type from here, right? Okay. I need help. Okay. Okay, great. Oh, so many of you are ready. Wow. Lovely. Then, I need the question mark here. So shift करके करना.
Yes, shift.
And
Return. Shall we start unmuting them? We can.
yeah, okay. Yes, you can do that.
Let us know.
All right. So you're ready for a quick test. I'm excited. Okay, I live in Mumbai. That's great. Okay, so my first question is, just send me the answer. Do you want me? Okay, I'll type the question in the chat box. Oh, something went wrong. Just one moment. Okay. Just one moment. Can you answer this question? I've sent you a question. Can you answer it? Very good, Shri Yadav. Lovely, Nitya. Great. Easy, wasn't it? Okay, the next one. The next one. Very good. The next one. Soumya Sharma, that's incorrect answer. Yes, it's on. Very good. Very good. So I think you all are clear. One more question. The next question is ready. Very, very good. Lovely. It's at bedtime. Correct. Very good. So if any of you have any doubts, you can just raise your hand and I'm ready to answer your questions. Any doubts? Okay, that's one moment.
Ma'am,
Yes, sweetheart, please tell me. What's your name?
ma'am, Pranshi Barwal.
Yes, Pranshi, please tell me. आवाज तेज करना है. Yes, sweetheart. Bolo.
What is the time dash your watch? What will be the preposition?
What is the time in your watch? Yes?
Ma'am, one more question.
Yes, please tell me.
She has been absent dash Monday.
Okay, she has been absent since Monday.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, yeah.
Ma'am, done.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome.
All right. Anyone else? Yes, Adya Shri. Do you have a question? Can we please unmute Adya Shri? Yes.
Ma'am, can you share notes of page number 2?
Which preposition? Can you tell me the preposition? What have you missed, darling?
That one.
Which one?
When that part of a day, the examples, part of a day,
Part of
month,
the-
year, that one.
Okay, okay, okay. This one? Okay, Adya. So time includes part of a day, a particular day.
Ma'am,
Adya, it's right here, darling. You can copy it. Okay. Okay, that's Advika Sahu. Do you have a question, Advika? Yes, please unmute Advika. Yes, Advika, tell me.
ma'am, can you please share notes?
Share notes again. Which notes? Tell me which particular page do you want some particular example?
Ma'am, I don't.
Can you just put it in the chat box, Advika? I think I'll be able to help you then. Thank you. Okay, that's Ahana. Yes, Ahana. Please tell me.
Ma'am, I wanted the notes also.
You wanted the notes? Okay, can we do something like we can click pictures and share the notes?
We share the notes on the group.
Oh, so that's great news for all of you. Don't have to worry at all. Whatever I have written, I'm going to click the pictures and I'm going to share it in the group for all of you. Is that okay? Are you all happy with that? Wow. So the recording of the entire class will also be shared with all of you. So you can go through it again. Yes? Okay. So we have Darshan. Darshan wants to say something. Yes, Darshan. Darshan, I think you're unmuted. Boliye. Okay, you're not unmuted. Can we please unmute Darshan?
Ma'am,
Yes.
our class teacher says that it is what is your time by your watch, and you are saying what is the preposition on or by?
No, darling, it's not on. I said in. By is also correct.
Okay.
In some situations, more than one preposition goes. So you don't have to worry. There are loads of prepositions. I'm only covering 3 prepositions for today. That is in, on, at. So if
Okay.
the teacher says by, that's not incorrect. Even that is right.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Anybody else? Okay, so there's Riyansh and Ratish. Yes. Can we please unmute them? Yes. Please tell me.
Wire was too fast. I couldn't able to finish my work.
The notes, you want the notes as well? Okay, don't worry. We'll be sharing the recording as well as the pictures of everything in the group. So you can note down at your pace. Is that all right, baby?
Yeah.
Thank you. Did you enjoy the class?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Yes, Nitya, do you want to say something? Thank you so much, Riyansh and Ratish. Okay, yes, Nitya. Do you want to say something, Nitya? Okay.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Ma'am, how many prepositions are there?
Lots. There are lots and lots and lots of prepositions, but we're just covering 3 today. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Yes, we have Shrinkla. Shrinkla is, am I pronouncing your name correctly, Shrinkla?
Ma'am, I'm Shravani. My mother's name is written.
Acha, okay. Yes, sweetheart. Please tell me.
Ma'am, I was having a doubt that in at sometimes I was being confused, so I wanted to listen it.
But now you're clear.
No, ma'am, it is
No, you're
not.
still not clear.
Yes, ma'am.
See, before a time, जब हम कोई particular time बोल रहे हैं दिन का, for example, 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 10 o'clock, then we use at.
Okay.
Okay, for example, I eat lunch at 3 o'clock. Is it clear? Then
Yes,
we
ma'am.
also use at a specific time of the day. मतलब पूरा दिन में morning भी होता है, afternoon भी होता है, bed time भी होता है, sunrise भी होता है, sunset भी होता है, noon भी होता है, right? So when we are talking about a specific time of the day, at that time we use at. For example, my mother wakes up at sunrise.
Okay.
Okay. Or another example is, I like to read storybooks at bedtime.
Okay, ma'am.
So we use at in these two places. Is that clear to you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Welcome, ma'am.
Okay, so we have Chehek now. Chehek, do you want to say something? Can we unmute Chehek, please? Yes, please tell me, Chehek.
Ma'am, we should write the examples only or the questions also?
Okay. The questions that I've given you in the chat box?
Yeah.
It's totally up to you. If you write the whole sentence that I gave you, it'll be better. When you revise, it'll be easier for you.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Did you enjoy the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Was it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right. So do we have any more questions for today? Okay. That's wonderful. If there's anything else or anybody else has any kind of doubts, I'm right here for another 10 minutes. And don't worry at all. We'll be sharing the recording of the whole session with all of you. And also the screenshots of all the notes that I've written here will be shared with all of you. Please make full use of it because it's going to be super helpful for all of you. Yes, so we have, can we unmute this child? One moment. His name is, 1 minute. Atharv Pandey. Hi, Atharv. Please tell me.
How many prepositions are there?
Lots. There are lots of prepositions, but we're just covering a little bit of it today. Yes? Okay, thank you. Anybody else? Does anyone else have any more questions to ask? Okay, that's Shrinkla. Okay,
Ma'am, one more doubt was there.
please tell me.
Ma'am, in and at this, there are some questions in school which come, and they're so much confusing that sometimes it went wrong.
Can you tell me which one? I'll be able to explain it to you if you can remember.
Once, the question which you have written, ma'am, like that one question came, and ma'am, I wrote in, and by my teacher cut.
You don't remember the question?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So whenever next time anything is that tricky, please make a note of it. And when you are in a class with me, I'll help you clear it out. Is that
Alright.
okay? Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, beta. All right. Okay. So do we have any more questions? No. All right. So all right, everyone. Thank you so much for being a part of this session today. I hope you all had a good time because I had a wonderful time with all of you. And as promised, all the notes will be sent to you and the recording will be shared with you. Thank you so very much, everyone. Have a lovely evening. Enjoy the rest of Sunday. And thank you so much for joining in this session. Bye bye. Thank you.